All right. It's that time again, folks. That's right. You in the rear. You guessed it. Yard and garage sailing. So, if you're into that type of thing, head over to your fridge, grab out your favorite beverage, come back to your screen, and let's enjoy the show. Because it's looking like another day in paradise out here. Oh, yeah. Let's get it.
I've been to Hollywood, I've been to Redwood, I crossed the ocean for a heart of gold.
Special shout out to the skate life. Also, the line life. Yeah. Alright, finally hitting a yard sale. And look, all these people here. You know what? I don't mind walking. Let's find some gold. Good morning. Excuse me. Good morning. Having fun? No?
Really. It's too hot already.
Yeah, I'm sweating like crazy. I think my back's all wet. Jeez. Crazy. What's that?
It's gonna get better
No.
later. Except the rain coming, but that's not coming.
Is it gonna rain?
Like every day. Sometimes.
Yeah,
Somewhere.
that's true. Shout out to the Concrete Coffins. All right, back in the office. I'll start here, I guess. A tablet by that company. Not sure if it works. I need to find a charger. I don't even have a charger for that. Special charger. A wireless Samsung TX card. A few random games here. A sort of microphone. I'm not sure for what. Ended up grabbing 3 of these outlets. Underneath this here, some slim, what is this called? I don't know. But anyways, it's soft. Can't even think of it. It's a foam, rubber foam. But anyways, it's gonna go up in the wall. So, shout out to the neck chucks. Yeah! By the way, if anyone is interested in any of these items I'm about to show you, hit me up on Instagram. That's where I'm at, full time, at full throttle. Here, I have a bundle here. It's a Apple TV with the remote. Works. I just plugged it in. Above that, Medieval Knights helmet. Kids in the background making noise. 2 more of these wireless remote. Down here, I don't even know what game this is, but it's all in there. Godfather DVDs. Wicked beat up Wii. I'm sure it works, just needs to be cleaned and tested and bundled up with some stuff. I do have a few items to bundle it with, but not complete. 2 Zippos. This one's cool, all blacked out, murdered. You can see the copper underneath here. It's not going to focus this camera. I'm using a different camera. 2 memory cards for a regular PlayStation 2. Back over here. Michael Kors watch. This thing's heavy as hell. I think it's a fake. Lacoste. Did I say it right? Cologne. Full. Almost full actually. You can see. Check this out. Benchmade. Knife. Broken tip. That's not a problem. We'll send this over to D-Man. He'll take care of that. Clean her up. Should be ready to rock and roll. Next thing, Jackass DVD. Here's another DVD. Just threw it in there real quick. Now I got a whole shitload of games, so I'll just pan it through. Paid up for all this crap. Set of Bose headphones. I might keep that for editing. Whole bunch of other games. So here is one of those Google Homes. They say, hey Google, what's the weather for today? There. Now check this out. First time coming across a Sega. Shout out to Harmon Heat. Yes, I finally found one, brother. Came with all these games as well. Has the 2 original controllers. Has a turbo controller. And this controller is for something else, as you can see. Here we go, watch this. Old school CATV, of course. Sega! Yeah, shout out to Sega. That's that. So, that's pretty much it. You guys and gals have a good one. Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick video. Until the next time we meet, fellas. Yeah.